All right, last one relating to Apple. Peloton, the fitness company with the bike and all the rest of it. You remember during the event, we were like, wait, what's going to happen to Peloton? Because the Apple was talking about their new fitness program, fitness product that they were launching. And so we were curious, like, is this good for Peloton, bad for Peloton? Does it make people start thinking about smart home fitness and maybe, what is it, all ships rise with the tide type of situation? That's a possibility. Well, however, today, I guess, what is this, December the 8th, this article, Peloton actually falls a little bit in the stock market as Apple puts a date on its Fitness Plus product, which is going to launch December 14th, coming very soon. And so obviously some investors believe that this is going to have some kind of impact on the Peloton company and people's willingness to try out those products, seeing as how they probably already own all these Apple products. The digital fitness subscription service is going to be available for $9.99 per month. Once again, it's called Fitness Plus. However, there's all those bundles that Apple was offering up to include the cloud storage and the TV Plus and music, and you can basically, you get it all bundled together, and the cost per thing goes down. The other way that you can get the cost down is by paying for a year. If you do a year of the fitness service, it's $79, $79.99 per year. Users can watch workout videos on iPhones, iPads, or Apple TVs and sync exercise metrics from Apple Watches. Peloton, on the other hand, a subscription costs $12.99 per month. And that's for classes that don't require the bike. So that would be the most comparable product that Peloton has. It's looking kind of expensive next to Apple's $80 per year or within their bundle if the service itself is comparable. We'll see what happens. Maybe Peloton slashes a couple bucks off the monthly price, comes to compete. Free market stuff. We'll see what happens.